Hey guys, this is how to fix Tesla app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions and the step-by-step guide for Apple users. I will show it on the left side of the screen. So first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store and now just simply tap on the search at the bottom and tap on the search bar at the top and search for the Tesla application, guys. And now just simply tap on the app and tap on the three dots on the top right corner and make sure to enable the auto update so you won't have any problems. And guys, instead of open, you should be able to see update over here when there is an update. And now another option that you have is just simply go to the settings into your device and scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply try to find Tesla over here or just simply tap on the search at the top right and just simply search for it. And now just simply tap on the app. And after that, just simply tap on storage. And from here, just simply tap on clear cache at the bottom and you should be able to fix the issue. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and just simply tap on a clear data and tap on OK. And from there, guys, you should be able to fix it. Now, for the third solution is just simply go back on the top left corner and just simply tap on uninstall over here and just simply tap on OK. And from there, just simply go back to the Google Play Store and just simply reinstall it back again into your device. And from there, guys, you should be able to fix the issue. There you go. If you have any question, just simply comment down below and I will try my best to answer it. Thanks for watching.